Hello fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the exciting and ever-evolving world of camping gear. We're at the brink of yet another outdoor season, and what better way to prepare than to ensure we're equipped with the best gear the year has to offer? There's something incredibly liberating about trading the concrete jungle for the untamed wilderness. The thrill of tracing unknown trails, uncovering nature's hidden treasures, and the promise of nights spent under a starlit sky. It's an adventure that beckons to the explorer in all of us. But every adventure requires preparation, and in the realm of outdoor exploration, the right gear is not just a matter of comfort, it's a matter of safety and survival. This year, we're seeing a surge of innovation in camping gear, with a focus on enhancing your outdoor experience and making your adventures more enjoyable and more memorable. From the moment you strap on your backpack, filled with your essentials, to the time you pitch your tent under the canopy of stars, your gear is your lifeline. It's what makes the difference between a rough and challenging trip and a smooth and enjoyable journey. A well-designed backpack is your first essential. It's not just a bag, it's a mobile storage unit designed to carry your life on your back. From multiple compartments for organized packing to adjustable straps for comfort, the right backpack can make a world of difference on the trail. But your gear doesn't stop at a good backpack. A reliable tent, a portable water filtration system, a comfortable sleeping bag, and a dependable source of light are all part of the camping essentials. And in 2024, these items are seeing a revolution in design and technology, making them lighter, more durable, and more efficient than ever before. So, if you're planning to answer the call of the wild this year, make sure you're prepared. In 2024, we're seeing some incredible advancements in camping gear that will elevate your outdoor experience to new heights. First up on our list is the ultimate backpack. A great adventure begins with a great backpack. It's more than just a bag. It's a trusted companion that carries your world as you navigate through the wilderness. In the grand scheme of camping, the significance of a sturdy, reliable backpack cannot be overstated. It's like your personal assistant, holding all your essential gear, keeping it organized, and making sure it's readily accessible when you need it. Now let's talk about what to look for in a backpack. First and foremost, it needs to be durable. The wilderness can be unpredictable, and your backpack should be able to withstand the elements, whether that's a sudden downpour or a rough terrain. Next, consider its design. Look for a backpack with adjustable straps. These will allow you to customize the fit to your body, ensuring that the weight is distributed evenly. This can make a world of difference on long hikes, reducing strain on your shoulders and back. Another key aspect of the design is the organization. A good backpack will have multiple compartments, enabling you to categorize your gear and find what you need without having to rummage through all your belongings. Trust me, nothing is more frustrating than having to empty out your entire backpack just to find your water bottle. Lastly, consider the weight of the backpack. Lightweight materials are a boon, especially on longer trips. Remember, every ounce counts when you're carrying your home on your back. So when you're gearing up for your next adventure, take some time to choose your backpack wisely. It's not just about style or brand, it's about functionality, comfort, and endurance. Look for features like adjustable straps, multiple compartments for organization, and lightweight materials to ensure maximum comfort on the trail. Your back will thank you, and your adventure will be all the more enjoyable for it. Having a reliable source of shelter is crucial when you're out exploring the vast wilderness. As the sun dips below the horizon and the stars begin to twinkle, you'll need a safe and comfortable space to rest and recharge for the next day's adventures. And that's where a high-quality tent comes in. The year 2024 has brought us an array of impressive advancements in tent technology. Gone are the days of struggling with complicated setups as the sun sets, or wrestling with flimsy materials that can't stand up to a light breeze. Today, the best tents on the market boast easy setup systems that can have you fully sheltered in a matter of minutes. But speed isn't everything. The materials used in your tent can make or break your camping experience. In the past, heavy duty meant just that, heavy. But today, thanks to the marvels of modern engineering, we're seeing tents crafted from materials that are both lightweight and incredibly durable. Another key feature to look out for is weatherproofing. Weather in the wilderness can be unpredictable, and the last thing you want is to wake up in the middle of a downpour with a leaky tent. The latest tents come with improved weatherproofing to keep you dry and comfortable no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. And let's not forget about size and space. Whether you're a solo adventurer or camping with a group, there's a tent out there to suit your needs. Look for options with room dividers for added privacy, or extra large vestibules for storing your gear out of the elements. In 2024, we're seeing tents with advanced features like improved weatherproofing, easy setup systems, and lightweight materials that make them a breeze to carry on even the longest hikes. So, when you're packing for your next outdoor adventure, make sure a high-quality tent is at the top of your list. After all, a good night's sleep under the stars is an essential part of any camping trip. No camping trip would be complete without staying hydrated and fueled up for your adventures. It's no secret that water is an absolute essential when out in the wilderness. But let's be real, nobody wants to lug around gallons of water on a backpacking trip. And that's where the magic of portable water filtration systems comes into play. These nifty gadgets are a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, allowing you to convert natural water sources into safe, drinkable water. Imagine being able to scoop up water from a stream or lake and voila, you have fresh, clean drinking water in an instant. Now that's convenience redefined. These systems are compact, lightweight, and incredibly simple to use. Plus, they're a sustainable choice, helping us minimize plastic waste from single-use water bottles. Remember, staying hydrated is key to maintaining energy and stamina during your outdoor escapades. With the latest advancements in technology, you can now turn any water source into clean, safe drinking water in seconds. As the night falls and the stars light up the sky, it's time to get a good night's sleep. Ensuring you're well rested for the next day's adventure is not a luxury, but a necessity. That's where quality sleeping gear comes into play. A good sleeping bag is your cocoon of comfort, shielding you from the cold and providing you the warmth you need. From synthetic to down-filled, there are a variety of options to suit your preference. Pair it up with a sleeping pad, and you've got yourself a cozy bed under the stars. A sleeping pad not only adds another layer of insulation, but also provides much-needed cushioning from the hard ground. It's the difference between tossing and turning all night and waking up rejuvenated. In the world of camping gear, advancements are being made every day. In 2024, look for features like lightweight insulation and ergonomic designs for maximum comfort. As you explore the wilderness, it's essential to have a reliable source of light to guide your way. Lighting equipment is not just about convenience, it's about safety. In the great outdoors, the darkness isn't just an absence of light. It can be a barrier between you and the beauty of nature. Or worse, a safety risk. Now imagine having a tiny sun in your pocket. That's what modern lighting equipment feels like. Today's camping lanterns and headlamps are marvels of technology, offering bright, clear illumination, often with adjustable settings to suit your needs. Whether you're setting up camp after sundown, navigating a tricky trail in the dark, or just enjoying some late-night reading in your tent, these devices have got you covered. And the best part? These aren't the bulky, battery-draining devices of yesteryear. In 2024, we're spoiled for choice with portable lanterns and headlamps that offer powerful illumination while still being lightweight and energy efficient. Now let's talk about cooking. There's something truly special about cooking a meal over an open flame, surrounded by nature's beauty. But when it comes to outdoor cooking, functionality and portability are key. So what's the secret weapon of many a camping enthusiast? Enter the compact and lightweight backpacking stove. These little wonders have revolutionized outdoor cooking, allowing us to bring the comfort of a home-cooked meal to the great outdoors. They're designed to be small enough to fit in your backpack, yet powerful enough to cook a hearty meal after a long day of exploring. Look for models that offer adjustable flame control for versatile cooking options and fuel efficiency to minimize your carry weight. Whether you're simmering a pot of chili or boiling water for a morning cup of coffee, a backpacking stove is a game changer. And so, our next essential item is a compact and lightweight backpacking stove, perfect for whipping up a delicious meal in the great outdoors.